Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description, and I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect if you got yourself a Nintendo Switch 2, because this is the ultimate carrying case that's going to be able to allow you to bring everything you need around with you while also protecting that precious cargo. So this was sent over by a company called STARTRC Games. It's going to come in this little case here, and as you can see, this is the really cool protective case. Now, to give you an idea of the size here, it's about 13 inches wide, it's about 11 inches in height, and it's about 5.5 inches in thickness. It has a nice, strong little handle here that's easy to carry. It has double zippers, so it's got a nice, secure zipper. The outside of it is all made with kind of a water-resistant felt material, so if you get caught in the rain or anything like that, the water will bead up off of this. However, you don't want to drop it in the lake or something like that because it's not 100% waterproof. Now, inside, they also include a strap here, so if you do want to basically carry this over the shoulder, you can do that. I don't really use this, but it is an option to have it because the clips are on the side. But what's cool about it is everything in here is pre-molded to fit all the devices nice and perfectly. So you have the slot at the top for your Switch screen, then you have a spot for the docking station, you have a spot for the Pro controllers. Everything fits nice and convenient and perfect. And then here at the top, you're gonna have two mesh pouches in case you need to store anything in there, loose cables or anything like that. Although, with that said, you also do have cable storage down here and for like the power adapters, and also the little kind of wristbands that go on the end of the Joy-Cons. But you have additional pouch storage right here at the top, and then you're gonna have slots for 18 game cartridges. So if you do have any of the game cartridges from the Nintendo Switch, or if you get any of the cartridges for the Switch 2, you can put them here if you wish. And like I said, this thing is water resistant and shockproof, so in case you do drop it, this is what's designed to help protect all your equipment, all in one easy to carry case. So if you're going to a friend's house, you've got everything set up, even if you want to hook up the docking station to a TV. So if you are looking for a great setup to bring your Nintendo Switch 2, this is totally worth looking into. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.